Hey, Miss Margal, it's Mary Elizabeth here at Tameron Honda. Thank you so much for your online inquiry and going through the Perks at Work program. I'll be your auto buying advisor on that tip and already have your pre-negotiated pricing for the Honda Odyssey LX. Now, that'll come standard with Honda Sensing. You'll even get captain's chairs, third row capability to fold down, and a 60-40 split. So if you need to do cargo and passenger, you can do both safely. Give me a call at 205-519-1710. I'm Mary Elizabeth here at Tameron Honda of Hoover, where I guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated. Bye now.